Hey guys, welcome back to Tank Garage. My name is Frank and I will be the man behind the camera. In today's video, you guys saw it right, we are going to be preparing, primering, painting, and clear coating my XC70's new wing. Before the video starts, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. Alrighty guys, so TikTok has already seen this before you guys. I've already kind of revealed the spoiler to TikTok by making videos when I officially purchased it, but we have right here is kind of like my little ghetto paint booth. So we're going to be mounting the wing on these little pillars right here, and then we're going to be closing off the box so that no bugs and stuff like that can get on it while we're doing coats. I've got the right equipment, of course. Make sure to get a proper respirator, just like that. And I went ahead and got the factory 614 ice white paint. So there is a shop not too far from my house that makes custom colors like these. So I gave them Volvo's OEM ice white, which is 614, and they made it. Also got myself some white primer right here and some 2K clear coat so that it actually lays on nice. These are not cheap, but the best or nothing, right? We also got Fast Clean to make sure to clean everything, and most importantly, a tack cloth to remove all of that static and debris that can get laid onto it. And now for la pièce de résistance, the spoiler. I don't know if it will hold like this. Probably will. But here it is, my new wing slash spoiler for the XC70. It's got some pretty nice edges all around. So this is very different than the RDESIGN wheel that Volvo produces for the XC70, which is pretty much just a flat surface all throughout. This one has a little bit of aggressive angles over here with like winglets to the side, the middle portion, and of course the same thing on the other side. So I've already prepared the spoiler. All it needs is some good degrease and a tack cloth to remove all of that extra dust that could be laid on there. We're gonna mount the wing underneath here, open up the paint booth, start with the primer, of course. But anyways, I'll show you guys. I think I'll be able to take some videos of it just to show you guys. I'm more worried right now since we're working on grass about bugs and you know, like mosquitoes and stuff like that, but I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully none of it gets onto the work. I might move on to the patio up there just so that bugs don't get to it, but anyways, I'll see you guys on the tripod. All right guys, so we've went ahead and cleaned the surface with the Fast Clean, so professional grade cleaner. Make sure to remove all of that oil that might have been left with finger grease and stuff like that. I have my mask ready. We got some off bug spray here. This is the stuff that we use, the Fast Clean. And now final step guys, before we go ahead and lay the primer, will be the tack cloth. Remove all the static and all of the last loose contaminants that could be left on here. So we're gonna go ahead, do the primer. I'll do the primer myself, and then Carl here is gonna help me with the base coat and clear coat since he has some experience painting and it's kind of a crucial part of the car. So yeah, let's get to it. We'll put you guys on a tripod kind of far because I don't want any overspray to go on the lenses, but hopefully you guys can see something. Guys, so we're currently doing the last coat of base coat. I did the first three and Carl did the last one because he has more experience than me, of course, and it's starting to look pretty good. So we went with a primer. Sorry, I said base coat. We went with a white primer, very important since the wing was originally black. Now that this all is laid, we're going to be able to let it dry off a little bit so that it's still a little tacky, and we'll hit it with our base coat white. I got 2 cans of this just in case. I don't think we'll need it because it's very white right now, the spoiler. I think 3 coats. What do you think, Carl? 3 coats? I think 3 coats will most likely do the job, and then we'll do 2 coats of clear after, usually? 2 to 3. 2 to 3 coats with a heavier last coat to make it look pretty nice. But I'll try to zoom in a little bit for you guys. It's starting to look really good, man. I don't know. With the light and everything, I think we got something going good. So I'll record again, guys, when we get to the part of the base coat, and then we'll skip to the clear coat and show you guys the final result at the end. Alright guys, so we're slowly running out of daylight. We got about half an hour of daylight left before goodbye. So we're ready now with the clear coat. I'm gonna let Carl do the whole process of clear coat. So I did 3 coats of primer and you did 1? Yeah, I did 3 coats of primer, Carl did 1. I did 1 coat of base, Carl did 2, and now Carl is gonna do all 3 clear coats because, well, of course he has the experience and it's a piece that kind of shows. I'll be learning on other pieces, guys. I do want to learn how to properly do the full step by myself, but I think up to now you guys will enjoy the result. We might not be able, unfortunately, to show you guys the result in today's video because, of course, the lighting is going out and we're gonna lay the clear coat now. Actually, I think after the first coat of clear I could show it. I might. If the lighting is good enough, you guys know the camera, I gotta get a better lens for low light, but hopefully you guys enjoy these like DIYs type of things, and we try to make it as professional as possible even though we don't have the tools and the setup, but pretty good, man. From what I've seen on YouTube, this is like the best setup. Carl, I have to give him props. He thought of like 95% of the setup. So let's see the final result, guys. I can't wait, man. When it's mounted on the XC70, it's gonna look good, man. It's really aggressive, guys, and I've never seen an XC70 with the R style wing like that, but I mean, I've seen V70s online, but who knows, maybe I'll be the first one to rock this wing. It's kind of new, I think. In the last few years they've developed it, so hopefully you guys enjoy the final result. I'll tap it just so you guys see it, but maybe you won't see it anyways. So I'll do the first layer of clear coat. Finally, Carl says you should do it. You should learn on the spot, and anyways, you could always fix it up with the second and third coat. But yeah, so I think this is gonna show to you guys before the next. Anyways, kind of weird, guys. Sorry, I kind of got the time frame messed up, but we'll go ahead and lay the clear right away. Enjoy the final result. So it's over, it's done, it's finished. Huge shout out to Carl, the third party to Tank Garage now. He's been helping me a lot with the past few things, guys, and I'm so happy with the job we did. I'll try to show you guys. There's not much light, but like, dude, this is glass. This is literally glass, guys. It's better than the OEM paint. I'm not even joking. Don't mind the little hole here, guys. I know we didn't do that. I was in the prep phase of when I sanded the wing, but dude, look at that shine, man. Holy, this is literally better than OEM paint, guys, and I'm not even capping. Like, look at that. Not a single speck of orange peel on this side, all the way down. Just, I'm trying to show you guys an angle where there is orange peel, but I just can't. You could see, look at that reflection. I'll try here. Here's what we can do to make orange peel. Why is it not focusing? I'll get the light out just to show you guys, give you guys an idea of how spotless this job is. Look at that. Look at the light reflection. This is how you know there's no orange peel. Can't even focus. That's how good of a job it is. It's burning my camera lens. Can you focus, please? Hocus pocus, I made you focus. Anyways, you guys get what I'm saying. It is absolutely gorgeous, and now we gotta let it dry. The most boring part, because we don't get to do nothing pretty much for the next few days. We're gonna put it inside of le cabanon, we say in French, the storage unit, just so no bugs and stuff like that get on it during the night, and if ever it rains, you know, we won't get to ruin it. But then maybe, who knows, tomorrow or after tomorrow we'll be able to take it out. We'll install it this weekend, so we'll make a second video of that showing you guys the install process and how it looks, but can't be more happy with the final result, guys. It looks incredible. So thank you guys for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any uploads from Tank Garage. See you, boys.